That's Peter Cottontail hopping down the bunny trail. Food.
Good morning. Uy, what is that, Yan? Huh?
What? Whoa, that's a big old ostrich egg.
Golden goose egg.
Well, maybe that's it.
That's it?
Well, we got two. Look, another big ostrich egg. Dude, look at that.
Allah!
He's kicking it up this year.
Wow.
Whoa. Another Kinder egg. Ow.
What?
One of them sticky branch things. What is that?
Oh,
That looks like a yo-yo.
it's yo-yo with bubblegum nuggets inside.
What?
What? You know those things, Yan?
Dude, look at that. What is that big giant thing?
Ano na yan?
Lollipop.
No way. Can I have that?
What?
I'll hold it for you. I don't think you got enough capacity.
Hold it.
All right, I got it. Thanks.
Whoa.
No way. You even filled up the basket.
That's all the eggs.
What do you think?
What do you think of the eggs? Wow.
Oh, happy Easter bunny. dude.
Happy Easter,
Let's go
Yan.
this way. Think you got everything? You want to check again?
Let's check. Just a good kind of fresh. Because I got all the
I
eggs.
think you got them all.
Okay.
You get overflowing basket. Look at this, man. You said I can do this.
Wow, look at
That's
all
the-
the
a
eggs.
lot.
Allah.
Oh, those are Hershey Kisses strawberry and
My favorite cookies and cream flavor.
Wow, look at that. Look at that.
We cannot open these because there's a snack inside.
yeah, you gotta open them when you're gonna eat it, right? Careful. Just looks like you taped it.
What?
Dude, it's overflowing. What are those?
Avenger candies.
What's Avenger candies? What's that, Yan?
Oh, like
Avengers.
Captain America, the Avenger dudes?
Where's the other one?
All the eggs.
What?
Where's the other one that fell on
Wow.
I think it went under the table. Closer to the table.
the floor?
Oh, lollies.
Lollipops in my favorite brand.
What?
Oh, yes.
Those are your favorites?
Used to get them all the time in Cebu.
Bless you.
Ah! Same.
More lollipops?
Yep.
Oh,
And they're a big mega one.
I want to check out this yo-yo.
Ooh. Fruitos.
Nice.
This
I
is
love
new.
yo-yos.
This is new.
Dude. Strawberry?
Yeah. Strawberry Fruitos in a package.
Nice.
That's different. The golden egg.
Goose
what
got the golden egg.
Oh,
Look.
Whoa, it's overflowing with them. Never
So-
had those big giant eggs before. The bottom. There you go. Good
I
job.
want to preserve these eggs.
Yeah.
That's
Well, we usually
big.
save them. What else you got in there? Kinder Joys?
Crack.
Or more of them.
Got the loot bucket full of them. Crack. Same.
Maybe they're all like that. Oh.
Crack. Same.
Strawberries.
Crack. Same. That's cool. A lot
So
of
you got
strawberries.
yo-yo bubblegum candy, giant lollipop,
Same.
fruit flavor.
Cool. That's so
Favorite
many
lollipops.
eggs.
We gave you some of your favorites in there. All right. Yay! Happy Easter Bunny.
Easter
on the
Bunny.
Easter Bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody. Look at these eggs. I think earlier in the morning I saw a big, giant, chubby bunny.
Ooh.
Yep,
Mm.
that's for true. I did forget to get these things out. Oops. That thing cracked.
It's okay.
I mean, not cracked.
Is it gum or is it
It's
candy?
gum. Gum.
Oh.
There's gum in there. You can pop open the sides to get some out.
Ah,
And it's a yo-yo
I'm
also.
excited to try it. I like it.
Mmm.
I don't smell it, but yes, so that's all. Bye.